Nurizma insecticide is an in-furrow only application, meaning that your planter needs to be equipped with an in-furrow system. We also recommend, if you're using starter fertilizer, that a Dosatron unit is used to inject Nurizma into the in-furrow system.
A Dosatron can be attached to accurately meter our 1 ounce use rate of Nurizma. The Dosatron is a wonderful tool that allows us to meter accurately the low use rate that Nurizma takes to kill corn rootworm.
This unit is one of the most economical and easy way to install on your unit and be able to inject your insecticide. The unit will run you about $1,200. It will come set up like this with this tank, stand, Dosatron pump, and the plumbing hardware. Today we are going to start and install a Dosatron from start to finish, so you can see the easiness of what it is involved in putting one on your planter. This fitting will go on below this valve, which is going to be your pressure side from your pump. Will go into this area. We've got the inlet one done. We will do the outlet, which will go here and go to your manifolds. We will install a 90-degree fitting so it brings it down a little easier access. Okay, those items are installed. Then out of our bag of the parts that you will get, we will add on this unit, they're going to use 1-inch hose. So we will use the 1-inch fittings to install. Into our couplers that are going to couple up male and female there. This unit is what we call the 215. It actually has agitation, so there's an extra pump on here which will recirculate into the tank to keep everything suspended. And then there will be a regular plug-in that you can plug this end into and then go to a power source on your planter. On this side of the unit, there is a mixing chamber, which is a basic filter, but we just put it on there for some products to screen a little bit more. There's a gasket in here, and the screen, which will be something that you will definitely need to clean out as far as your pre-season or winterizing. And we'll just screw on there. And then this bracket will go on here to mount the Dosatron right here on the back once the Dosatron is up and in place.
Dosatrons are relatively easy to install and very easy to set. Once we have the Dosatron installed onto the planter according to the manufacturer's recommendations, We will need to set the Dosatron meter accordingly to the calculated use rate of Nurizma along with the carrier volume. It's easily done by adjusting the valve on the Dosatron unit. I recommend folks do a small batch of Nurizma to help calibrate the system. Do not fill up the tank completely full of our Nurizma and water solution. We want to mix up about 20 acres worth, go out and plant that 20 acres and see how close our system is set. We will make some adjustments after that first initial calibration on our acres planted. We also need to remember that Nurizma needs to be mixed at a 1-to-1 ratio minimum with water for the Dosatron to accurately meter the product. After that, we should be set to plant corn for the rest of the season.